My name is Jesus Avalos, and I'm a manager of strategic learning and organizational effectiveness initiatives. Welcome to 3 to Thrive. In today's episode, I'd like to talk to you about how to write a great goal. Numerous studies have documented the benefits of setting goals, not only in terms of increased performance, but also mental and even physical health. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to walk you through a 3-step process to write a goal, right here, right now. So let's get started. The first step is to think about your role and what you'd like to accomplish, say, in the next 6 months. Ideally, it would be an area that would have a significant impact on your overall personal or professional success or fulfillment. Go ahead and pause this video and do that now. I'll wait. Do you have your accomplishment written down? Great. Step 2 is to refine your accomplishment using the SMART goal format. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, let's go step by step and have you refine your original accomplishment using the SMART goal format. The first element of SMART is specific. Specific goals are well defined and clear on what needs to be accomplished. What exactly do you want to achieve? The more specific the description, the less room there is for interpretation between a good and bad result. Go ahead and pause this video and make your original statement more specific. Welcome back. The next element of SMART is measurable. Measurable goals have clearly identified how you're going to evaluate whether or not you're successful. Often, this also means breaking your goal down into quantifiable evidence of whether or not it's accomplished. Eating healthier is not a goal. However, eating vegetables twice a day and dessert only once a month is. Go ahead and pause this video and make your original statement more measurable. The next element of the SMART goal format is attainable or achievable. Achievable goals are realistic about what's possible given the availability of resources, knowledge, and time. Ideally, it should stretch your abilities but remain in the realm of possibility to get done. Go ahead and pause this video and make your original statement more achievable. Welcome back. The next element is relevant. Relevant goals are important to you and will make a material impact on achieving your larger objectives. Does it make a difference to your overall objectives if this goal is met? While many goals are worthwhile expenditures of time, it may not always be the right timing now or match your current needs. Go ahead and pause this video and make your original statement more relevant. Finally, we have time-based or time-bound. Time-bound goals lock goals into a specific time frame and specify when they will be completed by. This also ties into the M for measurable because in order for a goal to be truly measurable, it needs to be time-bound. Go ahead and pause this video and make your original statement more time-bound. All right, welcome back. We're in the home stretch. Step 3 is to revisit your goals and document your progress. It's critical to regularly see how you're doing, both to reinforce your growth but also to make adjustments if need be. Keeping the goal in front of you is a great way to build habits that support your growth. We hope you found this useful and look forward to hearing of your successes as you create and implement your own goals. For additional resources such as examples of SMART goals that you can create as you continue to refine, and for information on goal setting, please visit our links in the show notes below. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving. Thanks again.